Hard work, cleaning, opportunity. Decades pass, industries are built, variables change. One thing never did. We never tested the outcome. In 2023, we finally did. Manual mopping was tested. It failed. Would you pay someone to spread contamination in your facility, your restaurant, your hospital, your home? Yes or no? Science shows flushing toilets release microscopic contamination into the air. It settles on the floor. Then we mop it, spread it, smear it. Modern floors are textured. That texture traps what mops leave behind. We are standing in it and paying for it. Stop, breathe, just look down. Grout isn't black, contamination is.